All I know is that you have an open case from 2021, and the only reason that we have you now is because you picked up these two other cases. You were charged with two cases. You were charged with driving while intoxicated. You were also charged with failure to stop and give information. On the DWI, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. On your failure to stop and give information, you're facing up to 180 days and or a $2,000 fine.
The law enforcement officers removed the defendant from the vehicle and they observed the defendant to have strong odor of alcoholic beverage, swaying, and red glossy eyes. The complaining witness stated that the defendant struck her vehicle, that he got out, looked at his hood, but never exchanged information. The defendant then got back in the car and drove off. The test results were a .244 and a .234.
Piedra, that you are a flight risk. All I know is that you have an open case from 2021, and the only reason that we have you now is because you picked up these two other cases. I'm going to set you bonds on both of your cases, but I'm going to tell you now that you are not allowed to drive. I don't know if you're going to bond out, but if you do, you will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I can have a contempt hearing, and every time you drive, it's a possible punishment of up to 180 days in jail and a $500 fine. You were ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, and I'm going to put a guardian interlock on you. If you get out, you must obtain a portable device that you're going to take with you everywhere you go to prove to me that you're not consuming alcohol. No alcohol, no drugs, random testing, no driving. Guardian interlock. Piedra, that I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my community at all costs. I just don't want another death on the roads. That's all I'm asking.